Hey traders, Joe Wright here from MaximumLots.com, and this is the weekly supply and demand Forex outlook for the week beginning 22nd of January 2017. So I've got EJ, Euro Yen on a daily here, and as you can see we've got a demand level that showed up last week. So we had a drop, we've got a bit of a base, and we've had a rally out of that zone. So I've marked this up and I'll be watching for a reaction when price comes back down. So depending on how price arrives, if we've got a series of red daily candles, then we may be on for a long if there is a reversal. However, below this level, we've got just this wick to the downside here. So price may be able to slide through here and down onto the next level further down if this level gets engulfed. So I'll be watching for two different scenarios there, either a long with a bounce or potentially a short with an engulf on this one. That's the situation we have on EJ. Okay, so I'm going to look at GA as well. Okay, so we've got this demand level. This is one that we were looking at in the members area. So we've got a bit of a base here, strong rally away. We had a series of red candles coming back down, and then we gapped into the level, and we've already had a move away that happened last week. Now there's still a series of red candles above, which indicates profit potential. So if price does want to continue the rally, then there may be some significant profit there. So that's what I'll be watching for this week. We've had a rally up, we've had a bit of a retrace, so I'll be watching to see whether the long move will continue to the upside. Okay, that's GA. Now the other one that I'm looking at from a daily perspective is dollar Swiss. Okay, so we have this demand level marked up. So we've had the base there, not a textbook base with that wick to the downside. Then we had a level test, price rallied up, and price came to test again, couldn't close higher, tested again with another rally, not closing any higher either. And then last week we had an engulf of this area. Now price rallied up again, couldn't close higher, and it looks like price is going to head further down. When we look to the left, we've got this series of only green candles, no demand until much further down. So we could see price slide down through here. So I'll be watching to see whether that will happen or not. These are the main pairs that I'm watching from a daily perspective. So until next time, happy trading.